Hi guys, so today is Sunday. I think it might be November 8th. And I just wanted to take you guys along on my Sunday. Sundays are a very crucial day of the week for me because it's like a race between how much I can rest and how much I can prepare for the work week ahead. I work a full-time job Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and that leaves me with a slim amount of free time during the week. And so yeah, Sundays are like a crucial time to like reset, like grocery shop, also like have a weekend like fun kind of day. And it's a lot, there's a lot of pressure on Sundays. So I just kind of wanted to bring you guys along. My boyfriend's waiting for me downstairs because I'm taking forever to get ready, but I just finished getting ready. We're gonna go to a farmer's market in La Jolla. Sunday vlog. Let's do it. Your teeth are so white back there.
Mine?
Yeah, it's like all you can see. Hi guys, just got home. You can't laugh at me. Or else I get nervous. But I picked up some tom yum soup from a Thai restaurant. I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna go to Target. Ellie's little bun is peeking out over there. Ellie, talk about what you're doing today.
Hey y'all, it's me in the kitchen serving you up some turkey chili. It's really simple, but I am struggling a little bit.
Okay. Oh, farmer's market haul, clearly. I got these beautiful flowers. Not sure what they're called. Garlic spread with cilantro and jalapeno. I got some almond milk from the Molt Co. So I'm gonna clean my room. I have some laundry to fold and put away, and I have to put my duvet cover back on, which is so annoying. It's like the worst chore in the world. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish folding all of that and then I'm going to change, and I think we're gonna go to Target. I'm gonna go with my roommates. And yeah. Okay, did some damage at Target.
Jenner!
This bag is mine and that bag is mine. It's such a cute and cozy day, you know. Yeah, come on, we're home. Just Cheddar and his mom's. He's like so spoiled. Okay, here's a quick little haul of everything I got. Laid it out. I just got this big pack of Caesar salad to eat throughout the week. Pasta, barbecue chicken pizza, some Triscuits, pickles because we didn't have any. Some deodorant. This is the deodorant I've been using. It's the Secret aluminum free one. Some more shampoo. I use the Kristen S one. I have conditioner left. And then I got a new cleaner scent. This is the orange clove one. Peanut butter, turkey bacon for my breakfast sandwiches, spicy black bean burger patties, and Amy's frozen burrito. It's just some Kobe Jack cheese, some Luna bars, bananas, this veggie stir fry kit, English muffin, and a chicken tortilla soup. I am not sure what my weekend plans are, so I kind of wanted to shop light because I've been doing this thing recently where I overshop and then I eat out on the weekends. All my food goes bad. So I'm trying to just buy stuff that I know I will eat. So today, right now, it's a Sunday afternoon and I've been setting up this lamp for like 20 minutes now. It's an IKEA lamp, so of course I have to build it because you have to build everything from IKEA. And I just have a bunch of goodies right now. I want to show you guys a couple pieces of clothing that I bought. So the first clothing item I got is my favorite piece, and it's this little skirt from ASOS. I don't usually gravitate towards prints, but I just like I do love like a fun little statement piece every once in a while, so I thought this was really cute. Which is like a sweater, maybe not this sweater, but heading into the colder months, it could be really cute with sweater and boots and jacket. And then I got this like simple gray sweater. On the model, like the model looked like she was wearing like an outfit that I would wear. It was just like this simple sweater with jeans and like cute Converse, and I just liked how she was wearing it, so I bought it. So great job, ASOS. And then I also got this like sweater top. It's like a long sleeve but more like sweater material, just scoop neck, and it's like a nice cream color. And I just love that. Just some basics. I don't even know what the next coming months are gonna be like. I don't know if we're gonna like have places to go out, like go dinner, or if we're like shutting down again completely. I don't freaking know. So I'm prepared for both. And I also wanted to talk about this fuzzy little sweater I got yesterday. I was staying at my boyfriend's for the weekend, and I just came back home today, and I never bring good enough clothes when I go to his house, and I was coming from being at my mom's house like the week before that, so I was running out of clothes, and I just bought this fuzzy little shirt at TJ Maxx. And yeah, if you're not buying your comfy clothes at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, you're doing it wrong. They have such inexpensive and like cozy pieces all the time, and it's just a fun time going there. So let me finish building this lamp. So cute. I've been really motivated to get my room like or not redecorated, but like finished being decorated, because I've lived in this apartment since July, and I just didn't feel like it was done, my room being decorated. So I've been really motivated to get it to a place that I really like it and how I want it to be, and it's going really well. Okay, so I have been ordering stuff like crazy, and so another thing I just got is this wireless vacuum. This is from the brand Musu. I'll have it linked on Amazon. I'm really out of breath because I just ran up the stairs, but this was actually my Christmas present from my grandma. And yeah, let me just show you how I use it. So yeah, it's super inexpensive. It's like $110 on Amazon. Okay, and one more thing that I bought this weekend. I finally got a tripod, mainly for this camera, but I can like use it for my phone too. So yeah, this is by the brand Fuge Tech, I think, but it has a place for your iPhone too, and it's really fun. So I just feel like I needed one because I just put this camera on anything that's close to me, and I don't know, maybe it'll force me to stop thinking of YouTube as a hobby and kind of get serious about it. I don't know. We'll see. I finally finished cleaning my room. It's all set up. It's super cozy. I don't really show this side of my room too much, but I did kind of add a fun little shelf to this side, and I hung up my calendar because my work area wasn't very cute. It was just like this blank wall, so I did add that shelf recently. And yeah, it's just looking super clean, super cozy in here. And I actually just convinced myself to not go to the grocery store because I feel like I just have enough food for the week. I feel like this is weird that I'm talking to you in the mirror. So I'm going to clean out all of the groceries that probably molded and went bad from last week, and just make sure I do some damage control on that. I'm gonna put a load of laundry in the wash and make some dinner. Am I the only one who literally has been getting so excited about the scents that this Meyers, what is it, Miss Meyers cleaning brand like comes out with? They have been doing like holiday scents or like seasonal scents for their just like household cleaners, and this one is the orange clove scent, and it smells like Christmas, and I just love it. It makes the apartment smell so good. Our apartment isn't too dirty right now, so I'm just doing a little cleanup, just wiping down the counters and just kind of making sure things are put away for the week. I make this pad thai stir fry kit. It's just veggies and sauce, and I have some rice that I can eat with it as well. Just a yummy, healthy meal. I ate so bad last night. This whole weekend I ate bad. So yeah, definitely want something better. So I just showered and I just wanted to talk about some products that I've been using. And I will start with a body product that I've been using. And this is the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub. And my roommate actually bought this and we share a bathroom. So I think I'm just gonna buy the next bottle of it because I've been using it because it smells so good, you guys. I personally like to use it like as body wash in the shower, and so if I use this I won't use body wash as well because I feel like it could be drying to like put too much stuff on your skin, but it leaves your skin smelling so clean and so fresh, and it just has such a good scent to it. It just smells like a soap store. Like, I don't know, it just smells really good. And it's not too like perfumey at all because it's made with essential oils, and I really like it. It's just very refreshing. I don't use it every day, but it is so good. I highly recommend. Elle, my roommate, I will buy the next one, I promise. The next thing I've been using is just this Cetaphil face wash, and I swear they changed the formula because I used to use this in high school and it had like a distinct smell when I used to use it, and there's no smell anymore. So I want to say that they changed the formula and took out the fragrance in it, and so now I approve and I will use it. I don't like to use fragrant stuff on my face, but yeah, so I'm loving this. And this face wash paired with this CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion has been a game changer for my skin, and it cleared my skin so fast, you guys. I mean, I still have some like little marks from when I did have acne like 2 weeks ago, and then I have a little friend right here that I just picked at, but my skin is so different with this combination, and I haven't put it on yet. My skin feels like it's gonna crack in a million pieces, but I just use like this much. And this moisturizing lotion has hyaluronic acid in it, which is nice because you really just don't have to be using a lot of product or a lot of different products. I love that these come in little mini sizes because you don't have to like fully commit to them if like your skin might not like it. And so those were the products I wanted to talk about. They're like what gets me excited for my self-care routine right now. Hi guys, so I look crazy, I'm aware. I'm trying out some curlers. We're gonna see how this goes. I've never done this before, but I found this huge bag of them at my grandma's house. But I've seen people doing this on TikTok, so I have to try it. But I'm gonna put some heat on them with the blow dryer, and then I'm gonna take them out, so. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's start with the ones that I did for. Okay, how do we even take them out correctly? Okay. Oh, okay, it's kind of cute. Oh my god. Wait, that just worked way better than I thought it would. Oh my gosh, you guys. This worked so well. I mean, it's not like perfect, but it looks so good. Okay, I'm officially in bed. It's 9:40 right now, so it's still kind of early for me to go to sleep, but I've just been watching YouTube, and right now I'm currently looking through some freelance jobs. I have recently been interested in starting to take on some freelance projects like on the side of work. It's something I've always liked, or I've always wanted to do. I just always kind of like having a side hustle, and this is also like one of my side hustles, but I would like to just try out some freelance projects. And so I'm looking through some jobs that are listed that I can apply for, and just kind of seeing if there's anything that I should like work on, or if there's like a class I can take to kind of like refine any skills that I might need. That's just something that's on my mind, and what I've been doing, I always like to, I don't know, just do research of little things like that, like usually at night before I go to bed. But that's just what I'm doing. I'm gonna eat some of these chips, and then I'll probably just brush my teeth and go to bed, probably within like 30 minutes. I don't want to go to bed too late. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.